Here we are. Hi, everybody. How you doing? It's your buddy, Uncle Bruce, here from London, England. It is right now 8 o'clock local time, 3 o'clock Eastern time, 5 hours behind in New York. Final hour of trading is about to begin here, and welcome to the final hour today with all of you. Nice to see you here. Welcome, and let's see how we're going to do here. We're up 397 on the Dow. And this is kind of, I think we're pushing, near the high of the day. The high was 32,673. We're 32,621. So 52 points from the high of the day right at the moment here. The question now will be, can this market gain any more and set a record high at the end? I was mentioning this morning that, we did open strong and then we backed off. And I mentioned that after we finished backing off, maybe an hour and a half or so after the European markets close and the America markets are on their own, perhaps then a march will begin. And we could be 500-600 points higher today. We could be. Well, a lot of this has come true, except there was a glitch here. I note, and I happen to see here that the Dow did get up to 32,616, which is about 50 something points away from the high, but then it backed off again, and that right up to about a half an hour, 40 minutes ago, it backed off to 32,390, and that was a give back. But now we've come back on again, and now we're higher than the high we had an hour and a bit ago. So we've kind of done one of these little blue, and we're now coming on. So 415 point gain on the Dow Jones right now, 417 I see now, 74 for the S&P, and 289 point gain on the NASDAQ, which means that the NASDAQ up 2.5%, S&P up 1.9, the Dow up 1.3. It's almost a 2-to-1 ratio, the NASDAQ to the Dow, as far as how high each are going. So it looks like if the Dow wants to match the NASDAQ market, it would have to be up 800 points, not where it is now, 436. We're climbing. We are at, I think, the high of the day pretty well, 13 points away right now from the high of the day as we are hanging out here. So welcome to some pretty good timing, you guys. We've got Home Depot at 302.88. I have no idea whether our friend whether our friend Nick was able to profit out. He's got to be up now if he's still into this stuff. Nick, let us know. How did you do on your long position on Home Depot? And we know you shorted it this morning. You made money on the way down. Then you bought some. It went lower. You bought more. It went lower. You bought more. And last I heard from you, I think you had a 295 average. 303 is the price right now on Home Depot. So I'm hoping you are long a bunch and up a ton. That's what I'm hoping. Now, Smart Rent, $4.92 a share, up 17.5 cents. It has mirrored the Dow Jones. It went down, went up, went down and up. And the Smart Rent volume today, 1.1 million. The high today was only $5. When I say only, it was in the first couple of hours of the day. We went down right away in the first 30 minutes and dropped down to 470, then climbed up to $5 with a 30-cent gain. And we've been kind of hovering, and we had a dip back into the 480 range. Now we're back to 492.5. Will this stock run higher than the high earlier today? The Dow right now up 430 points. Home Depot 303, Smart Rent 492, SoFi $7 on the nose. I'm looking for another late surge on SoFi. I would love to see one. High today, 734. That was in the first 15 minutes today. So I don't want it down here. I want it up there. 43.6 million traded, trading at 7 right now. Matterport, 518 a share, up 12 cents. High today, 532. That was early this morning, 5.1 million volume. GameStop, 97.28 on a bit of a move up here in the last 30 minutes. We seem to have been sitting around $95, $94.85, something like that. And then we shot up to $97.70. So it was a nice little $3 pop. The high of the day, 98.23. which I think we set in the last 20 minutes, would really be nice to hit another higher high, get over 100. We'll see. I don't know if all of you were able to write options or not today, or whether you're getting closer now that the stock is inching higher. I'm not sure what the situation is. 434 is the gain on the Dow right now, I believe. Yep, 432, 434 right now. AMC up $1.11. That's going higher. So that's helping GameStop. ATIP is at 167, unchanged. Unfortunately, not reaching new highs at the moment. The high today was 173.5 this morning. Rocket Lab up 23 cents to 564. The high today, 578. 3.2 million traded. We'll see if this wants to close on a high or not, along with the rest of this market. Cyxtera, CYXT, 1268, near its low of the day, down 8 cents. Not a bloodbath or anything. 300,000 traded. The high this morning, 1303. I'd like to see a little pop there. Maybe we'll get a recovery towards the end here. I don't know. Now, ME, 23andMe, 302.5 cents, up 24.5 cents today. The low this morning, just around 1030, 286. So 16.5 cent improvement on 1.5 million shares. So that is definitely better. It is nothing to go crazy about. For the last week, it's the best level of the last week. This is the highest level it's had in the last 5 trading sessions. It now needs to break this $3.45 range to get into new highs over the last month. And then we got climbing to do from there. So we got a ways to do. We got work to do here. Come on, ME, let's go. Spire, 137.5 cents up. Looks like 5.5 cents here. The shares have been sitting between 137 and 137.5 now for about 3 hours. They reached 132 this morning for a short period of time. The low of all time, 125, but not today. 466,000 traded. 141 was the high, but we're at 137.5 right now on Spire. Over on Pfizer, 51.24, up 57 cents. Hewlett Packard, 39.46. We are up $1.95 today, and this is one of those scenarios where I was talking about this morning on the show before we started the day, and then the early show today. I was asking or mentioning to you that a lot of fund managers are going to be very busy now figuring out where to put their dough. There's a lot of money on the sidelines that wants to come into the market. Certain stocks you buy, certain stocks you avoid. Well, Hewlett Packard is obviously on the buy list. 39.40 now. Volume today, 10 million shares. It's trading at 7.08 earnings. 7 times earnings. This is a bargain. And so money is coming in here to park itself for quite a while now because it's a dividend payer with a yield of 2.67%. It buys back its own stock. It's a cash generator and will continue to be. So there you have it. Warren Buffett knows what he's doing. He got a $4 billion of this stuff around this price. This is not way above what he paid. It's right in the hood. Very good for HPQ is your symbol. Even Texas Instruments, 174.61, up $6. Twitter up $1.17 to 38.56. Carvana up $1.77 to 40.17. Robinhood still down 3 cents at 10.08, but almost even. Vanik Semiconductors SMH is trading up $239.44. That is up 10.93 today. The low was 233, which is an up day already at the low. Now 239. In the last week, this is the best level in a week. To break out of its 1 month funk, it's going to have to hit 250 plus. So another $12 and it will be the highest level in a month. Today it's up 1080. So we'll take that as a starter. IBM is up $279 at $137.80. I think this is another one of the stocks that the street is buying up today for the approved list. Yes, you buy IBM. Why? Well, a number of things. It's 22 times earnings, but the yield, the dividend yield, 4.94% on your money. Why would you hold a treasury at 2.9 when you can hold IBM, get 4.9 and even economic upside from the stock over the next several years? A 10-year treasury versus a 10-year IBM hold. I'd go with the IBM hold. I'd bet on those guys. There you go. So we're up a couple more dollars today to 137.84. Microsoft up 4.89, obviously on the buy list. Apple up 3.89, that's on the buy list. Goldman Sachs up 9.53. Someone's buying this stuff up today. Almost $313 a share right now, just under 313. Highest level in a week. Got a ways though to get the month, but definitely the highest level in a week for this stock. Cisco got the memo too. $50.57, up $1.57. Definitely being picked up. Facebook being bought at $201.78, up 174. Amazon being bought today, up $94, $2,309. Tesla up $30, $754. It's kind of hanging around that $750 mark now. Google up $35 to $23.31. BlackBerry is up 31 cents, back to $6. Bed Bath and Beyond is $9.80, up 40 cents. Royal Caribbean 63.66, up 227. There's some hopers and dreamers there. Target still down 441 at 213.94. The low today was 209. We have come back about almost $5 from the low of the day here on Target. It's had a rough day today. JP Morgan's up $4. Costco's down 4, but was worse, a lot worse. It was down to $480. It's $489 now. A $9 improvement to be down just 4 on Costco. Walmart down $17.26 to $130.95, just about the low of the day, and getting hammered. Trading at 26.8 times earnings, and that number is going to get worse. So Walmart is going to go a little lower or may hang around these levels for a while yet. NVIDIA is up $8.50 to $181.20. Over at Disney at 108, up $3. Don't mess with the mouse there, Mr. Santis. American Airlines up $1.17. American Airlines 17.72. Some optimism in the airline business, perhaps. Netflix is up $3.20 to $189.80. Moderna up $6.46 to $142.70. And then I got Boeing up $8 to $132.40, and that stock has just been crushed. Okay, so we have a 416-point gain now on the Dow Jones today. We're very close to the high of the day. We're in the neighborhood here. If we were to add another 55 points, we'd be at the high of the day, 470. We're just there. So we're threatening highs of the day right now. We're up 76 on S&P, which is gaining. And we're up 305 on the NASDAQ, and that is gaining as well. 2.65% gain on the NASDAQ, a 1.3% gain on the Dow. The Dow is absolutely half what NASDAQ is doing. It should be up 850 right now for the Dow, but we're up 420. So we'll go with what we got. There you have it. 97.54 on GameStop, up 5.78 right now, 97.58. SoFi, 6.98, just under 7. Matterport, 5.18, up 12. Home Depot up $7 to $303. There we are. Nick is here. He is number 53. Right on, buddy. Welcome. And a lot of you popping in, throwing in your thumbs ups for me. Thank you for letting me know what number you are on the thumbs up meter. Appreciate that. It's good to have you all here. Christina says I'm 52. Sell my house in Upper Marlboro. Lucky number 60 is what I am right now, Bruce. We got 63 thumbs ups. They're still coming through here. Thank you, all of you, for popping by and saying hi to us here. Jen and I went out today between shows. We ended up going to the one train station called St. Pancras and King's Cross. Actually, it's 2 railway stations that are side by side. Both have been beautifully restored and invested in. They're both phenomenal looking places. I was last at King's Cross. The last time I saw King's Cross, and it was the first time I saw it, was 1999, and it was looking bad. I think Pancras was closed at that time, but obviously things have changed in 23 years since I've been here. Changed for the better. The Olympics were one. The Channel was another. Jennifer and I were in Pancras in 2015. As a matter of fact, it was late December 2014, on the 30th of December, or 31st of December. 30th of December. Yeah, 30th of December, 2014. We came into St. Pancras from Paris, and I apologize. It was January the first or second. Actually, we came in. It was just after the New Year. It's coming. Not that any of you care, but we did come into St. Pancras on the channel, and it was beautiful then. It is beautiful now. We attempted today to enact and kickstart and kind of fire up our Eurorail Global Pass. And we had some success today. I don't know if we are fully engaged with it, but I think we may have pulled this off. We do have, for sure, seat reservations on trains that we are taking to Edinburgh, back to here, and over to Amsterdam. That we've done. The passes, I think, have been engaged and fired up so that we can get on those trains. We're going to find out on Sunday, or sorry, on Thursday, the day after tomorrow. We're going to find out if they let us on the train or not. So we'll see what happens. If I'm on the air Monday from Edinburgh, it worked out. So there you go. We're up now 430 points on the Dow Jones at 32,653. Home Depot at 302.92, up 693. Smart right now 494.5, up 19.5. SoFi back to $7, up 9 cents. Matterport 518, up 12. GameStop 97.22, up 542. Volume on GameStop today is 1.9 million shares. AMC is at 12.76, up $1.05. ATIP is at $1.65, down 2 cents. Rocket Lab up a quarter at 5.66. Cyxtera down 9. ME up 23.5 to 301.5. Spire up 6 cents now. 130, looks like 138 is what Spire is trying to show us at the moment. So we got some green, a couple little reds, but mostly green everywhere. Thank you all. Cindy is here, number 62. Smart, how you doing? Howdy. JG, I'm number 73. Nick, Uncle Bruce, I scored around 10 grand on Home Depot, short, long, and I have shorted it again. I will cover it soon. Beautiful job, buddy. I was thinking about you there. I was out in the boot with Jennifer. I'm going, I wonder if he's pulled that off, because I was looking at your quote. I'm going, he's up on this now. He's up on this. I wonder if he's taking that money off the table. And I was hoping you were. Christina, looking at the volume on GameStop, should we see a fall? Well, GameStop is not trading heavily, obviously, 1.9 million. But we do have the annual meeting coming up in about 3 weeks. There's some reluctance for people who want to get out in a desperate way. But today we're up 568. We're not up incredibly well. We were 91 for the low, 91.20, 98.20 for the high. So a $7 range today, which is kind of quiet for our friend GameStop shares. Well, we'll see what happens tomorrow, but it is a little better at this point. Michael Downs, afternoon, riding Uber home, and markets are looking good. They are looking good. And the indication and the vibe off of the analysts and so on, we're going higher. For the Dow and the NASDAQ and the S&P, there will be higher indexes going here. Not 1,000 points today, but a 400-point gain today on the Dow. If this holds, this is quite good. But the day isn't over. We could be anywhere from like 100 points up to 1,100 points up, or lower or higher than that. But we'll see how this volatility goes through the final, I guess now 42 minutes. Stand by. We are watching this closely. An interesting day. We have interesting statistics coming through. Oil, by the way, lost $1.60 today to close at 112.57. That's a positive. We were at 115 this morning. If we could get oil back to 105 and then under 100, that would help inflationary pressures a lot. We'll see what gives. Lots to follow here. Lots and lots and lots to be watching. The S&P is up 79 points. It's almost 2%. And the NASDAQ, 2.68%, climbing again, it would appear. Yeah, that's the story. 425-point gain on the Dow. I hope some of you have done well on option writing. I know some of you like to play very short-term day trade type scenarios. I hope you did all right today. Others of you are a little more conservative, taking a little longer approach, which is always a smart move. Let's taking a couple extra weeks in time and being out of the money on calls and letting the time be your friend by crushing the value of contracts you're writing. Beautiful job, all of you who are doing that. Those of you who are taking my courses on my website, you're figuring out how to conservatively write contracts and quit your day job at the same time. Very doable, very practically available, and you don't need millions of dollars in the market to do this. This is none of these. There's none of this nonsense about, oh, you've got to borrow everything you've got and you've got to leverage everything you have and you have to, give up your firstborn to do that. No, not at all. I would bet you that it wouldn't surprise me that there are some viewers here without question have less than 100,000 in the market and are literally not working. They are living off of their cash flow with less than 100,000 in the market from the get-go. But I also have a suspicion that it's possible that some of you, depending on, again, your overheads, you might be on your own, self-employed with less than $50,000 employed in the market, maybe in the 40 range, because a number of you can theoretically write poor man covered calls where you have enough calls that you can write in volume to make enough profit per call times 10 per session to cover your overhead. Someday I will know more stats on this, but at the moment it's early days for me, and a lot of you are just getting into this, and I've only been writing calls now for a few months, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. Some of you are figuring it out quickly. Some of you take a little longer, but there will be a time where I will find out from a number of you how much capital you have employed to literally be self-employed on this market. But I think it'll shock people out there who think, oh, wow, to be self-employed with the market, to be your own portfolio manager of your own money, you have to have millions. You just, 4% interest on $1 million is only $40,000 a year. You need a bunch of money. I got one flip in for GameStop, but I wrote again 4 covered calls for GameStop, and I got $8 a share for 3 weeks out. I need to drop the cash in. There you go, right on. Well, can happen at any time. And Nick, I am out of a job for 4 years now, and I'm loving it, buddy. You know it. Not your daddy SoFi. I'm number 84 on the thumbs up meter. Fantastic. Pickcomb, I'm number 86. Lame Duck, I'm number 87. Christina, they are worth $9.42 right now. I wrote them for 8. They're worth $9.42. Well, I wouldn't worry too much there because, time is your friend. So obviously, we watch tomorrow and the day after. There'll be shrinkage, and you know how the stock can fluctuate. It can meander. So 97 now, 94 tomorrow, 96, 91, 97. You'll get the wave. You'll be fine. Not your daddy SoFi, less than 6 figures, Uncle Bruce. SoFi is inching higher past couple of days. This is nice to see, says Paycom. Miracle, I'm thumbs up number 94. Welcome, number 94. And all of you who are giving us thumbs ups, I appreciate these so much. Thank you all. If you can please hit that thumbs up button for us, give us some little momentum today. That would be great. 97.42 up 5.62 on GameStop. SoFi 704 up 13 cents, 13 cents. Smart Rent 493 up 18.5. Home Depot 302.83. A little slippage here right near the last 40-minute mark. Our friend Nick is watching for that. We've got a 416-point gain on the Dow Jones today, trying to hang around the near the high of the day at this point, but we'll see how that goes. 303.07 on Home Depot now. Rocket Lab up 23 cents. ATIP down a dime. ME up 22. Spire up 6. We have Pfizer up 55. Hewlett Packard up $1.99 to $39.50. A very good day today. Big percentage gain. We're up $6 on Texas Instruments. Twitter's up $1.12. Carvana up $1.70. Robinhood is still down 4 cents. Vanik Vectors up 11.02 to $239.53. Much better. Much better looking market today. IBM is up 315 to 138.18. Microsoft up 527 to 266.77. Apple at 149.64 up 411. Goldman Sachs up to 959. Cisco up $1.63. Facebook $1.92 higher. Amazon up $86. Tesla up 33. Google up 39. So it's a green day, definitely. 430-point gain on the Dow. Quick sick of saying that I was working my way up to being self-employed. Took a massive, to me, hit to that goal this past Thursday, he says. Not your daddy, SoFi. Go GameStop. Zach, I've been self-employed for over 25 years. I only have around 25 grand in the market. Should be more, but I'm down 45% right now. When it turns around, entrepreneurship teaching will be my road to retirement. There we have it. There we go. We've got the Dow up 435. Another little pop up here. A little stronger. Home Depot at 303 up 707. SoFi 704. GameStop 98.23 up 6.43. I know some of you have got stink offers out there for options you're trying to write, and maybe the stock will close on a little bit of a pop, and you might get out at the end of the day. Hey, we'll look for that. Let's see what happens. We'll figure it out. All right, 442-point gain on the Dow now. 32,689 is the high. 32,665 is where we're at. 24 points away from the high of the day as we are climbing towards that right now. Okay. Very interesting. Looks like we need about 460 points to hit a new high for the day. If we gain that much, we'll have had a new high for the day on the Dow Jones. Very, very interesting. 98.23 up 6.43 on GameStop. How about them apples? We're down to 34 minutes to go, and we're done. Oscar says, I'm thumbs up, number 100. GameStop goes to 100, says Oscar. Swear, it is realistic to hope. Is it realistic to hope for 820 to 850 at the SoFi in the next couple of days? 820 to 850. Well, it's not, crazy unrealistic, but you are really looking for another volume push on SoFi. Look, anything's possible. Now, we have busted through the 5 level, the 6 level, and we're at 704. So, we've made some moves already. This could go higher. What do you think Apple is going to do? What do you think? Thinking of writing 160 calls on the Apple? Well, the Apple, is rumored to be in a trading range between 140 and 160. So at 149.54, up $4, we're right in the middle of this range. So you want to write 160 calls, the higher the stock goes right now, the better for you, because you're closer to the exercise price, and you'll get a better premium. So keep an eye on this, H. Gregory. Maybe it goes up another $4 or $5. You might want to do the right. Nick, I want to write GameStop cover calls. Which one should I write, Bruce? What should I do? Quick Sick, by the way, says lost 20 grand. Time to recover, reset, and make it all back. Wing Commander, I am looking at 115, 4 weeks out. Fat premiums. There you go. Nick, that might be an idea right there. Maybe 110s or 115s might be your target for a month out or something like that, into latter part of June maybe. That might be your target right there. Grab yourself 11, 12. Can you get $15 for 110s? Something juicy like that. That might be the way to go. A lot of premium, all premium, out of the money, and dare the stock to come and get you. That could be an idea. 435 gain on the Dow Jones Index, holding these very solid gains here. SoFi 704, GameStop 97.93 right now. Let's see. Austin, I told my wife I wanted to party this weekend like we used to in college. She quickly quipped, I want to have your abs from college. That's what I want you to have. I gave up. That was the end of that. The abs are underneath some padding now. The abs are being insulated from cold, brutal weather by this little layer I have here. Coyote, June 24th, 110s are going for $1,212 each. Sell my house fast enough or Marlboro. Quick sick. I'm down over 30 grand since the bloodbath at Thanksgiving. So we're working our way back here, I guess. Okay, we're got a gain of 437 on the Dow. We got that going the right direction. We've got home 303 on Home Depot. We're at Smart right now, 495 and a half, up 20. SoFi 705 now, just moved up a penny here. Matterport up 516, up to 516, up 11. GameStop 97.94. AMC at 1268, up 97 cents. ATIP still down 2 pennies. Rocket Lab up 24 to 565. Cyxtera down 16 cents. ME up 22.5 cents at $3.50 on ME. Spire up 6 cents to 138. So those markets are generally speaking doing all right. Pfizer up 55. Hewlett Packard up 192. Good day here. We've got Cisco up 167. Facebook up 230. Amazon up 85. Tesla up 33. Google up 39. Showing IBM up 3. Microsoft up 5. Apple up $4 pretty well. So it's a good day here. It's a very good day. Whoo-wee. Yeah, good luck with that, Austin, with your wife and those abs and all that. Gee, that might be a bit of a Coyote. That's why you don't work on your abs in college. Don't set bad expectations. Wing Commander. Yep, I meant June 17, 10 to 10:50, lasted 10:25. That's what Wing Commander was talking about here. Looking to write 115s for those kinds of premiums. He's talking about 110s. Scott, I'm down 40% so far. Bitcomb, Uncle Bruce, is that an evening sunlight or is that a lamp light you have there? We have a lamp light here because outside it has gotten it's getting dark now, sunset, but it also started to rain about an hour and a half ago. Shower is the right word, really. It's a shower activity, not a rain. But I'll tell you, today was a phenomenally gorgeous sunny day. High of 80 today. It was a very beautiful day today. We're up 444 points on the Dow Jones. We're at 32,667. The high of 32,689. And we are coming up to that all-time high today. Right at and towards the final bell. 28 minutes to go. We're coming towards the high. We'll see if this is going to hold, or are we going to pull back a little with a late surge? I don't know. There's always shenanigans at the end. Okay. Fantastic. A PayPal donation just came through, and I thank the mystery sender. Thank you, mystery sender, very much for this PayPal donation. You've joined Nick today in making one. The two of you, thank you. You're helping us with a number of expenses here. Cab money. We took a cab back from the station. We went out on the tube, took a cab back. Always neat to get a cab with a sunroof on it. You can see you through and everything. It's just great. It's just fantastic. Splair, I would love, what are you saying here? I would love the day when it hits something over $8. This would be a class $100 Matterport on a U.S. broker and $100-$200 for me if I hold from here. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that be something? Jim, there are no lamps. There are no lamps. Coyote, go GameStop, go. Scott, tell us a story about the future, Uncle Bruce. Tell us, please, Wing Commander. We're also nearing channel resistance on the daily for GameStop. And Nick, okay, Uncle Bruce, I wrote June 10, 2022, 110 call for 10 contracts on GameStop for $9.15 a pop. So $915 per contract, $9,150, writing 110s, which means they're out of the money. The stock is 98.66, and he's 11.30 out of the money. They die on June 10, so that's 3 weeks from now, and he could keep all of that perhaps. Very interesting. Sell my house says, I hear you. I was averaging down since then, and Thursday my SoFi position was liquidated, 1,100 down from 33.45 shares. The day before it ran up 19%. The broker didn't want to wait for my transfers to clear. Michael wrote Apple 150s. It can back off now. So there you go. Apple, you can go down now. I wrote 150s, says Mike. Michael has defied Apple before. He's put the boots to Apple before to say, "Hey, here's what I'm doing, pal. You can back off now." The Apple shares at the moment are 149.27. So I'm assuming they're for this Friday. Michael, am I assuming correctly that they are this Friday expiry? Fill me in if I'm missing on something on that. Let me know. Okay. Good luck to you on that one. Hope you brought in a bunch of dough, and I hope you make a bunch. I hope you do. Okay, 433-point gain on the Dow Jones. Splash. So thanks for your thoughts about it. I think a volume push is realistic when NASDAQ goes back to 13,500. Michael is smiling. Yes, sir. This Friday. I got him for this Friday, buddy. Right on, pal. Way to go. I hope they just make you a nice little, lovely little payoff. Wouldn't that be terrific? You gotta love this. You gotta love making money in a market like that. Why not? Interesting. Selling into a little bit of strength there, I see. There you have it. I show them at around 185 ballpark, something like that. Yeah, 180, 85, something like that. 39,000 in existence. Very tight market on the bid ask. So right on, buddy. Coyote, a 7% day on GameStop is tempting, says Coyote today. We got GameStop 98.80 now, up $7. Is climbing again. The high of the day, 98.80. This is the high of the day. 2 million volume on GameStop. That's what we have going on right now. The Dow's up 447 points. We are within 19 points of the high of the day. 17 points now from the high of the day. So we're very close there. SoFi 704. Okay. 98.74 on GameStop. 98.74 on the coveted GameStop market right now. Going for $99. Will we get it? That's the question. Will we be able to push a 99 today on the GameStop and then even 100? Could that happen? Well, we got time. 24 minutes. We got plenty of time for this to click here. So I'll see what's going on. All right. Interesting, kids. Very, very interesting. GameStop 98.84, up 704. Okay. We got the Dow up 432, 433. S&P up 78.5. We got NASDAQ up 312 points today. So we got some good gains. 2.68 on the NASDAQ, 1.35 on the Dow. Half the NASDAQ market. NASDAQ is double the Dow in performance today. So we need an 860-point Dow day to match the NASDAQ market today. Not bad. Okay. All righty. Let's see here. Mirko, Uncle Bruce, I just wrote GameStop 105s for June the 10th for 1080 and a GameStop 105 for June 17th for 1209, 3 of each one of them. So bringing in like 33 and 36. Yeah, bringing in like almost $7,000 here. Nice. Michael, I sold mine at 215 each. Nice job, Michael. Austin, Uncle Bruce watched your traveling channel. Good stuff, man. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. I'm glad you caught the other channel, guys. Appreciate it. I guess on the plus side, though, I now have a cost base of 888. Says quick six. Okay, well, we'll see what happens. 98, 81 on GameStop right now, up 701. I think we're at the high of the day here, or just about. Yeah, 98.95 is the high of the day. We're 98.77. We're right up there, right near the high of the day. So that's why some of these options are being clicked here. We may have, I don't know if Beach Boy is close or not. I know he's writing. He's got some written, or is trying to do some writing. I'm not sure if he's close yet, but he's probably zeroing in now. Right on there, buddy. Oh my goodness. So much to follow. We're now up 412 on the Dow. Home Depot 303.55, up 756. Smart Rent up 21 cents to 496. SoFi at 702. Matterport at 520, up 14. GameStop 98.84. 98.77, 98.84. AMC 12.73, up 102. We got ATIP unchanged now. It's come back to break even at 167. Rocket Lab up 24 cents. We still are down on Sextera. Today we're down 17 cents. ME up 24 to 302. Spire at 138 up 6. Got Pfizer up 54 and the Hewlett Packard up 193. So we got some good gains here. 400-point rally on the Dow. We're down to 22 minutes now to go. 22 minutes, and we're done for the day, everybody. There you go. Oh, we got fun to watch here. 99 on GameStop. Yeah, 98.87. We're right there. We're right at 99 now. You got it, Wing Commander. Way to go, everybody. Little gain. Little incremental gains here on the GameStop as the afternoon comes to a close. Very interesting. Very, very interesting day. Very interesting day. What was I going to say? We got lots to watch the next few days. We'll be waiting to see if any more comments come out of the Fed. We'll probably hear from the ECB pretty soon and find out about European information. China information will keep coming out, of course. No stop there. And, of course, this oil price. We're going to watch this very closely, obviously. Aurora, number 120. Thumbs up. Thank you, Aurora, for hitting the thumbs up there and getting us to 120. We're seeing, I got 121 going right now. You guys are great for this. Thank you so much. Helping out, pushing us over the top there. Over 100, going for 150, maybe 200. Who knows? Who can say? I mean, really. All right. Alrighty. The Dow Jones holding that $400 level right now. Holding on to 400 points gained on the day. SoFi 702. 98.89 on GameStop. 98.94 on GameStop. 98.94 on GameStop. Going for $99 a share. And then the next resistance level is the $100 barrier. A 410 gain now on the Dow. 418 on the Dow. We're climbing again with now 18 minutes to go. The Dow is climbing a little bit here. Coming into the final 18 minutes. Woo-wee. It's getting kind of exciting. Let's see here. See if I can get a new high of the day quote. Yeah, $99 right now on GameStop. It's trading at 99, and that is the high of the session right now. GameStop is 99.30. Jumped again, 2.2 million. So we got a 99.30 market, and Beach Boy has got to be getting closer and closer to getting a fill. Austin, I don't even like to travel much. Just like to listen to you talk in the stories. Well, most of the time. Splair, Aurora, I like that stock, but only the products for sure. Not your daddy SoFi. GameStop going to hit 100. Duncan, number 128 right now. Scully, there was a 452 ask size at 99 on GameStop. Well, they took that out. They took that right out. 99.37 now on GameStop. 99.37. That might be the high of the day. 99.38. Yeah. We're coming into 100 a share here. We're getting closer. GameStop, I wonder how you're doing on your option. You must be zeroing in on this thing. Cindy, this show has shown me patience. That's what this show's shown me. A year ago, I was chasing my covered calls, and if they got away from me. Now I really understand the ups and downs and daily theta decay. You get it now. And the patient one is usually the winner in this business. You do not chase markets. Not really necessary. That's right. 431 up, by the way, now on the Dow Jones. 431. We're going higher. Oh boy, we're going higher. We're going higher. 437. Split. I agree with you, Bruce. After that interesting day, I'm very curious where we'll go tomorrow here. Not your daddy SoFi. You got it, Cindy. Michael has given us thumbs ups. And Coyote, Cindy B, this is the way. You know it. This is the way. GameStop, 99.68. We are hitting a new high, and we are pushing now soon $100 a share. We did get 99.82 already. 18 cents from $100 here. Didn't look like we had a chance a couple hours ago, but now it looks like it might happen. Coyote says, come on, GameStop, break 100. Let's do it. Just do it. 99.73. It's 27 cents away. 99.73. Here we go. Wing Commander, still $1 away from my target on June 17, 110's current ask 1075. Should I wait or pull the trigger, Uncle B? I just wait. Just wait. Not 100 going to get smashed. Well, if that happens, the Wing Commander will probably be taken out. 8:44. We got 16 minutes to go. 16 minutes, and this day is done. We're up 414 Dow points right now. I think we're going higher on the Dow. Looking great here. 400 plus. The high today, 32,689. We're at 32,624. We've been 65 points higher already, and that's just in the last few minutes. So this market wants to push 500 points around. I get the impression right now we're only up 385, but I think we got a rally coming. We're down to 16 minutes to go, and this is where the shenanigans begin. These buy waves, sell waves, buy waves, sell waves. 99.69 on GameStop now. Holy moly macaroni! How do you like this? 494 on Smart Rent, 302.09 on Home Depot. SoFi 702, Matterport 520, 99.33 to 99.74 on the GameStop shares here. Oh, we're watching a lot of stuff. 58% of GameStop's volume has been off the exchange today. I don't know how you know that, but that's incredible. ATIP, $1.67 unchanged. Rocket Lab is up 22 to 562. Sexera unchanged. ME up 23 to 301. Spire 138 up 6. So there's our markets right there. Keeping an eye on this. The Dow still up 388 right now. And we're down to now 15 minutes to go. Nick, Uncle Bruce, HD is coming my way. It sounds like it. 30202, buddy. Yeah. Not your daddy SoFi. 100% will be off exchange once the float is DRS'd. Interesting. Wow. 99.33 to 99.65 on GameStop. Okay. 99.52, 99.39. Matterport is 520, SoFi 702, Smart Rent 495, Home Depot 301, 301.60. Coming Uncle Nick's way here. Nick, way to go, buddy. Looking for that one to score for you too. Marcus Bruce, what's the deal with Spire? Still on your list of keepers? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Cash rich, no debt, growing subscribers, going cash flow. Yep, they're one of the shrinking companies. Yeah, they could do acquisitions or they could be chased. I don't know. I'm just going to say, yeah, I'm still a fan of that stock. 99.44 to 99.52. Will we break 100 a share on GameStop this afternoon in the last 12 minutes of trading? We got 12 minutes to go, and we're at 99.50 now. Only 50 cents away from breaking that $100 barrier. Boy, I wonder if it could happen. AMC is holding a 104 gain. That's $12.75 a share, so it's doing all right. GameStop and AMC are kind of in the same area, basically, because one of the stocks is almost 100. The other one is around 12. So 1/12, 12 to, yeah, it's $8 each side. Yeah, they're about the same. They're reacting about the same. 99.50 on GameStop. The Dow's up 362. Home Depot 301.12. Looks like it's pulling back just a bit more. Working out perfectly for Nick right now. We have 217 thumbs up, or do we? What do we have for thumbs ups? We have thumbs ups coming through here. Thank you, everybody. 138 now. Thank you all for that. And we've got the 354-point gain on the Dow market right now. Smart Rent 495, SoFi 699, Matterport 518, GameStop 99.33 to 99.57, AMC at 12.76 up 105. And ATIP is at 167. Rugged Lab 562 up 20. Sixtera 1274 down just 2 cents. That's recovered. ME at $300, $3 and a half a penny. Oh boy, I would like to say 300 a share for that. Spire 137.5 up 5.5 today, and Pfizer is 51.23 up 56 cents. So it's a green day, definitely a green day. Ortex reported GameStop had a max borrow rate of 301% today as well. BW Bruce, I guess all those institutional put contracts that got released on the 13F this week are holding SoFi at the 7 range and we can't seem to get out of it. Maybe I'm not sure if that's true or not. We'll see. There we are. 385 gain on the Dow. SoFi now 702 at this point. GameStop 99.87 on GameStop. Looks like we're possibly a new high here. Yeah, we just broke $100. $100.10. 99.95. We went through 100 like a hot knife through soft butter. GameStop busted 100. It's traded now 2.36 million. So it's possible that Beach Boy is getting off some stock contracts. There's possibilities here. Scully, GameStop stock broke 100. Not your daddy SoFi. And there's $100 smashed right there. How about that? I'm doing everything I can, says Duncan. Rock and roll. 99.88 at the moment, but $100.10 a share was the high today on GameStop. So it did break it. Very good. Very good. Getting entertaining. 9 minutes left to go in the day now. 9 minutes left to go, and we're done. As GameStop is hitting new highs here at the $100 mark at the end of the trading session, and the gain today for GameStop is in excess of $8.12. So those of you who've written calls, get ready to watch what happens tomorrow. Those of you who are still trying to write calls, they're coming to you bit by bit. See what gives. Interesting. Very good. Very good. Let's go. Michael must be near quitting time. ATIP is already in the car and bolting as usual. There you go. We have 212 people watching right now. Thank you for joining me today and hanging out with yours truly. We're down to 7-8 minutes to go. And see a 362-point gain on the Dow today with some of our former SPACs doing well, along with GameStop, which seem to be doing all right considering the market. We'll take these gains every day. If you want to give them to us, we'll be happy to do this. 458 gain on Home Depot at $300.57. I believe that our friend Nick is short some stock now. He'll be covering his buy before the bell, which is great. And way to go, Nick, on that one. Hope you're making some easy money there. Scully, GameStop will fall $5 tomorrow. I'm calling it now, says Scully. That's what's going to happen. Smart Rent 495, SoFi 702, Matterport 521, GameStop 99.68, AMC 12.78 right now. Well, there you go. Fun times, don't you think? I guess so. With 7-8 minutes left in the day. Okay. Cheers, everybody from around the world, wherever you are. Jen and I are in London, in the United Kingdom, doing our shows here. I'm going to be in Edinburgh in a couple of days. And then we're heading to Amsterdam next week. So hang around while we kind of discover some more of Europe here. I'm trying to stay on top of everything. Looking forward to all of these visitations in these different places. Absolutely. 99.80 now on GameStop, taking another shot at 100. Trying to get back over 100 a share again on the GameStop. $99.80. The volume today, 2.4 million. Kind of a typical average volume day, but it is an up price day today on GameStop. That is for sure. Robinhood, $300.83. It's also hanging in there too. $4.95 on Smart Rent, $702 on SoFi, $521 on Matterport, Here we are, GameStop, $100.06. Another print above 100. The volume of the high trade of the day today looks like it's $100.17 now. That's the high trade for GameStop shares on the day. Splatter, short question about tomorrow. How are you planning the late night? Haven't figured it out yet. I might do an early show, but it might be Thursday morning. It might be an early Thursday show. I'm not exactly sure. We've got this trip coming up now to Edinburgh, and we got this time change thing, and we're struggling to stay awake as the day wears on. So stay with me and just kind of hang tough here while I figure this one out. Nick, okay, Bruce, I covered all of my Home Depot shorts today. Total gain for the day, $12,904. Nice going, buddy. That's pretty good. I think that's a pretty good priced lawyer, like a top end guy or a girl, like the top enders kind of make that kind of money. But I'm not sure if they have as much fun as you have. Coyote, exciting little ending today. That's true. Wing Commander finally got a fill for $9.75 on the June 10 110s. Right on. Taking money off the table. $100.06 on the GameStop right now. Got to run. Take care. Michael, you take care, buddy. Have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, $300.80 on the old Home Depot. There was movement today, wasn't there? There was movement today. Unreal. My gosh. No dull moment here. We're up 377 on the Dow, but we were higher. We were up like 440. Yeah. We got 5 minutes to go. We can still do this. We're at 396 now on the plus side. So a 45-point run from here is nothing in a minute. We'll see. Cam Hines, thank you, everybody. Good afternoon. I'm thumbs up 147. Duncan, ATIP, stinky in. I'm trying to get a stink bit in there. See if I can score some. AMC making moves, says BW. We have 1288 up 117. That's helping GameStop. It's at 100 a share now. Over there, ATIP 166 down 1 penny today. Rocket Lab up 23. Sixtera now is up 5 cents. It's turned around, gone plus. ME up 21. Spire up 7. Pfizer up 70. Hewlett Packard up 210 to 39.61. What a day. A 410 gain on the Dow Jones. We're kind of pushing this possibility with 3 or 4 minutes to go that with a late surge, we might hit a new all intraday high on the index. I wouldn't put anything past any of these markets right now. You never know. SoFi 705. GameStop $100.01. Certain stocks are bumping here, pushing a bit higher. Stinky says, not your daddy. SoFi. Nick, we'll do the same tomorrow. Right on, buddy. Beach Boy, still waiting to fill, Uncle Bruce. I'm still waiting on my offer. And if not today, my friend, well, maybe tomorrow on the opening, maybe there'll be a little power surge and you'll get your nice little fill, or you'll get a fill even higher than you thought you would because the stock's going up. That, one way or the other, the stock's going to make you money. Either the shares go up in value, or they reach a certain point, you write calls, they back off a little, and you score on the calls while you're waiting. So sooner or later. Vilbus, I just squeaked in a 610 22 110 on GameStop for $9.85. There you go. Okay. I guess stink it is, says Beach Boy. So we'll wait for tomorrow. We're now down to 2 minutes to go. We're at 99.95 on the session for GameStop right now. And that was up 400.81 right now, just above 400 points at this point. Home Depot, $300.67. Smart Rent, $495.50. SoFi, $704. Matterport, $521. GameStop, $99.88. $99.95 over here, and $12.88 on AMC. 1 minute to go. Last minute coming in. ATIP, 167 unchanged. Rocket Lab up 23 to 564. Sixtera up 4. ME up 21.8 cents to 299.8. Spire 138 even, up 6 cents. Pfizer up 65 cents. So We've got an okay day here. 404 gain on the Dow, holding these gains nicely. BW, find it funny that level 2 on SoFi says 52 million volume is considered light. BW on SoFi, interesting. 99.95 on GameStop, and we're into the final minute of trading, the last minute of the day. We're going to shut down at any moment with a 425 Dow gain and a gain on the S&P and the Nasdaq. 79 S&P, 317 on Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq up 2.7%. The Dow up 1.3. So the Dow is half of Nasdaq. Should be up 450. It should be up 450 to match it. How about that? More upside to come, perhaps. We'll see. Bells have been rung on the Big Apple. Wall Street, the bells are ringing. The day is done. Closing it down. 430-point gain on the Dow. Got a late last-minute surge. Pardon me. Trying to lose weight there. We're up 431 on the Dow. GameStop, $100, 24 cents. $100, 30 cents is the last trade that I'm showing now. And that is the high of the day. I think that is the high of the day. Let me double check that. Yeah, $100.30 was the high trade of the day today. We got that right at the bell today on GameStop. Well, we'll see how tomorrow it wants to react. Away we go. There's the bell. All right, have a good night, all. LL, here's the bells. Coyote, here's the bells. Marl sold GameStop 610, 110 for $9.95. Right on. The bells are being done. Went in at the last minute, says Malo. Well, let's see what happens tomorrow. Beach Boy, we'll figure this out tomorrow, what to do. Without a fill today, we'll figure out tomorrow what the dealio is. I like it when the stock goes up 844 a day, though. I every day, just go up 844 a day for a few days. Makes people richer in their accounts, which I kind of like to see. That's good stuff. Anyway, we're happy. 705 on SoFi, up 14 today. Smart Rent, 499, up 24. Matterport, 521, up 15. Good day today. There it is. Well, people, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I'm going to say thank you for joining Jennifer and I here. We're pleased to keep doing these shows from London in the United Kingdom. Have a pleasant evening, and we'll catch you tomorrow morning with the pre-opening, the alert show, and we'll see how things do overnight through the UK and the Asia and the European markets. We'll follow that tomorrow for you, and then we'll join you tomorrow before the big show at 8:30. Then at 8:30. Join us then. Take care of yourselves. Stay healthy for us. And thank you, all of you. I'm hoping that you're all going to make some serious, some dough here on some of these option rights that you've been pulling off, which is just fantastic. I love it. I'm thrilled for you. Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful good night, and we'll catch you tomorrow before when we get this started. We'll see what this market's going to do. Thank you. Thank you, and thank you. There it is. Thank you all for everything, guys. I will see you in the AM. All right. This is Bruce from London saying bye for now.